Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today we got quite a bit of stuff to do. As you guys can see, I've been already working at it. But while this is going, let me tell you guys, the BMW's been giving a little bit of rough idle. So I replaced all the crankcase valves, the idle control valve, cleaned everything out. There's no tear in my intake boot. I've been looking at forums. So the last resort was to rebuild my vanos. I was trying to do everything not to do this, but I'm actually doing it. It's been a hassle, so I haven't been filming it. I'm by myself, so it's been very difficult by myself. But let me show you guys what I've done so far. First thing first is I've been painting my air tank. This is not the finished color yet, but this is gonna go towards the new color, but I've been painting that. Nothing is, so I removed the valve cover on the BMW and then removed the, the vanos system, and then so the only part was whenever I was removing it, the ground kind of just snapped right off. So I'm gonna have to redo a ground for this. Shouldn't be too difficult. Just crimp a new terminal end to it, and so that way it'll sit. Some of these bolts were a little seized, so I had to go to BMW, go grab some new ones, so that was been a hassle. But I got all the hardware, everything's ready to go. I rebuilt the vanos already. I'm just letting it sit for a little bit. But basically this is the vanos system. I removed it. Yes, there's a spring for it. Basically, my seals were literally trash. So these seals were not seals. It brittled up and it was tearing. It was tearing up as I was removing it. It was so brittle, compared to the new ones are definitely going to be fixing this issue, so I'm super excited. I did the new spacers for it as well. Comes with the new hardware, the little hardware for it, and then I got the new seals for the new valve cover. So I had to remove everything. So basically, off the ground, this piece literally just stripped right off. It's so seized on. I had to get a new one of this, which I did, but just annoying that happened. But so I can't wait to show you guys the finished product of this tank. It's gonna be going with the theme of the BMW, so I'm super excited. So far it's looking pretty clean. Can't wait to show you guys the finished products. Alright boys, so I'm gonna put the vanos on side right now because the customers came in to wrap his roof. Remove the water trim over there. I'm about to do that side. But this is a pretty nice car. It's pretty nice. It looks like the grill is plasti dipped, something like that. But the car looks pretty nice. I told the customer there looks like there's some, I don't know, see it, but as you guys can see, there's some imperfection right here, and as well there's a dent right there. You guys can see. But I told the customer that there's some roof, but we're gonna be doing gloss black, so it's gonna be showing that dent, but it's gonna be a little less noticeable. So we got shit stuck. I got shit stuck.
And what does he do? He's like, help! Help! Somebody help me! I can't get these bolts out!
10 o'clock in the fucking morning.
Help!
I'm like, boy, I'm at work. Done.
You want to pick it up?
No, it's hot.
Alright, so it's the next day, guys. I finally finished the vanos. I didn't record it. I just didn't want to. It was such a pain in the ass. I got the tank painted and it looks pretty dope. So let me show you how it looks. So again, I'm gonna add some better lighting, but you guys can see the flakes within here. Looks killer. It was all the idea of this man. He was like, you ain't gonna do it. You ain't gonna do it.
He's like, no, it's gonna look like, no, I don't know how I feel about it. I'm like, do it because you're a bitch. It looks dope.
What about to start on right now? Can we record it? Can we post it? That's real quick. That's the real thing.
You know what? We'll do segments.
All right, we'll do segments.
We'll just do a whole entire how-to on the full car. How about that?
Damn, that's gonna be full send.
Huh? What do you think? You guys want a little video on how to wrap your roof or how to remove these rails without breaking them? That'd be
that's a good video.
Maybe, I don't know, how to remove your mirrors?
Yeah, especially
how
on the
to remove your door handles.
Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
how
how to remove.
3 take this. Rip it off.
Rip
Send
it
it.
off.
How to remove your bumper? I don't know. What else?
How about a full how-to video, but not showing what we're doing to it?
How about a how-to video segment by segment, and whenever we start doing shit, just blur it out.
Yeah, let's do that. Because what we're gonna do a full segment. We're gonna show you guys a final full review of what we're gonna be doing with this car.
It's gonna be one of one, something that hasn't been done in a while for at least the Honda Accord platforms. The last car, I'm just gonna give you a hint, was a TSX.
So that's it. But let's take this car out, pop his car in. Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.